Grabe ka bundok dito. Kaso ngayon ko lang napansin na nagmukha tayong MPE dito lang tayo pupunta sa observation deck na tinatawag nilang Shoshiki Heki. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang. Basahin nyo lang, mahirap basahin. Saka malapit na tayo. Ayan na talagang kabundukan dito. So yan, let's go. Tuloy na natin. Mukhang tayo dito. Mukha tayong MPE. Dito na tayo. Ayan, nasa likod lang natin. Tingin-tingin tayo ng mga rules and regulation nila, yung mga bawal. Alam nyo ba kung nakasulat dyan? Hindi sabihin dyan Siyempre may drawing na yun. Kita nyo naman yung drawing. Kahit hindi nyo maintindihan yung sulat, pero may drawing. Ang dyan ay bawal mag-barbecue, bawal mag-UOC, bawal ang fireworks. Basta initing na with fire. Kikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? And 1, 2, 3. Napasya na naman tayo. Dahat. Yan guys, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Ayan guys, yung nasa likod natin ay shrine. So ang shrine na yan ay tawag dyan na yan Kiniwa Shrine. Ayan, Kiniwa Shrine. So sabi dito, it is said that this shrine was built in 1615. So imagine guys, napakatagal na. So it was reconstructed in 1741 because of serious deterioration. So the way to the shrine is known as a scene spot for cherry blossom at the summer festival, which is held on July 15 every year. A rare kamitori or Shinto shrine actually that was made of Japanese paper was built. So mas maganda pala dito pag summer festival kasi cherry blossom sa July 15.